Tell me why my Jamaican people them angle me in my TikTok comment section. Them roast me in the comments them. Me go play one part of the video where them roast me them roast me bad. If me never strong me cry. Listen up, here's the clipping.
Boy, look here now. Me take out loan and buy man car, and me have to stand up a bus stop in a boiling sun.
And people, me can tell you something. This is my most viral video. I mean, the video was posted 2 days ago and it has 84,000 views and it is booming with comments. I even had to turn the comment section off because they never know when to stop. The comments, as you can see on screen, I have like 123 comments, and that's because I turned the comments off. And on top of the 123 comments, I have over 500 shares. Now, I say I love my Jamaican people, them body, you know, so them run out and defend them accents. Them defend it strongly, you know. One at the time I start feel like me a Jamaican, because me I say, the people them deal with me away, them also me a Jamaican. But come I could go over some of them comments here now and see what I go on over there. Now I blurred out the names and photos of the persons that were commenting on the video because I don't want to expose anybody like that. Alright, now we go in it now. The first set of comments, it's not really the first comment on the video. I just screenshot a few of them and I'll just read them as they pop up, right? Now somebody straight up call the video bull. They said this is not Jamaican talking. This ain't our patois or patois. And then another person commented, then on which Caribbean island this we talk so? And please no say Jamaica. Another commented and said, the talk throw me off. And we had somebody down below laughing. The person that commented below that says, so you buy man car? No. People, listen to me. Now on to another set of comments. The person says, we don't talk like this. Somebody said, what kind of is your mother language this? Not a Jamaican accent, and people dying with laughter. And somebody over the next one said, we don't talk like this. Somebody said, this is actually one story. I know the female also. And another one says, we need more videos like this. Thank you, Papa. Somebody say, DEM and Emmy this. I didn't realize that it sounded like Emmy until after person started commenting. Emmy this. Somebody said, this sound like a white person learning our language because I don't sound like that. This other person said, stop follow we no chat so. Another person said, which Jamaican? No Jamaican don't talk so. Sound like Trinidadian. Now why the people them a comment that now? For the Trinidadian them start this one me. That person here say, hey, not this Jamaica so. We not chat so. Hey, I trace you and trace me now. No, the person here say, all me know the skirt connect. And guys, if you know Jamaican call center workers, you will know that the dressing is on T. You wanna give me my props. Give me my props, can me achieve that. At least that me achieve since me not get it. So even that me get, even if me not get the accents good. Come on now, man. Wanna give me props now? I'm gonna say hard for me. Sure. Now moving on, somebody said them sound like when the Chinese are trying to talk Jamaican language. Somebody said, which country accident is this? Somebody said, nice try, continue the work. Thank you. I will continue to try and make it better, to make you guys proud of me. And somebody said, who made this? Me not tell you no. If you don't know, you're going to roast me even more. So me not tell you no. My identity will remain a mystery. Mystery phone. Alright, me get whole heap of laughing emoji now. Me don't know if I laugh, them a laugh after me or them a laugh with the video, but me don't care. Comment is a comment. Somebody say next. Okay, so I want to hear more from me. Me like that. Somebody say it happened in a real life and I choose something, all the right facts, all the right things. I'm say go so. Me all the right people business. Yes. Me can move on to our next one now. All right. So somebody say this is not Jamaican. Underneath it, the person say same thing come to mind. No, me very much Jamaican, you know. Me just a try and me I learn the system and know in myself. One day I'm going to make it me improve. But me very Jamaican, very Jamaican. It's now time for some bloopers. Sit back and enjoy.
Boy, look here, no. All me take out loan and buy man car. Me have to stand up bus stop in a boilers and 2 hours on me there. Shooks! I see one robot taxi, yo! Driver! Me I go New Kingston.
Alright, so come make we talk now. How me feel about the comments. You know, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. At first, when I saw the comments, they were coming in and I felt good because I was like, yes, finally, I created a TikTok page and I'm getting comments and I'm getting views. I've created, listen people, let me tell you something. I have gone over 10 different accounts, if I'm not 10 or more, but I'm not less. I've gone over 10 accounts trying to create a TikTok page, trying to do different stuff, and nothing worked. So I'm saying that one follower, I didn't get one follower. I'm telling you now, I did Nigerian videos and I was like, no, this is not me. I know nothing about Nigeria. I cannot relate to Nigeria. I just want something that is true to me, something that feels like me. And then I said, all right, I stopped with the Nigerian video and I started making inspirational videos. That never worked none, so I kind of look like, say, Jamaican people or people overall like to be inspired, and I felt like I had good topics talking about, but it just never worked out. All right, now I went and I did something else. I started creating some roasting videos, like you had celebrities roasting each other. My gosh, that even worse. Me get like 2 followers and 50 views. I'm say, no man, you know why none of this now work? Because it's not you. This is not your personality. Don't try and be anybody else. Be true to yourself. I always, believe that. You see, when I do something where you love, you never feel stressed. You don't feel like you work a day in your life. And editing videos not easy. Any of you that create videos, editing videos are not easy. Sometimes, I do a 9 to 5. I have a 9 to 5 job. I come home in the evenings. When I come home in the evenings and I try to edit videos, I'll be up until 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock editing one video, because guess what? I'm trying to make up the minutes. I'm trying to make the videos perfect. One day now, I was sitting down. I was watching an African skit, and when I look at it, I realized the hand was at the side of the jaw and another hand was at the side, and I'm like, look at this. You sit down for hours perfecting your videos. Other persons are not doing that, and they get the views, they get the subscribers, they get the followers. So why are you stressing yourself? I just wanted to do something that made me happy, and creating makes me happy. It's my happy place. No, I have gone over and I sat down and I said, all right, what are you going to do? I really want to create. And then I said, but I don't see much Jamaican skits going on. Why not do Jamaican? Why not rep your country? And there I started. And within 24 hours, I saw views, I saw comments. Made it feel good. Even though the comments them roast me feel very good, because guess what? I became true to myself and I represented my country. Although them disown me, but I represented my country. I felt like I could relate to the things that I was talking about because I knew about it. It was real life situations. Nothing that I bring on here is fake. It is something that I either saw, I've experienced, or it just popped in my head. This is how Jamaicans are. We are a beautiful set of people, but we are unique in every single way. And once you guys come out and rep for your country, I said, no, we don't want to imposter over here. Made it feel good. Made it look a bit shame, but made it feel good same way. You understand? Because I saw that I was representing a set of people that feel very highly of their country, that will not just let anybody come and tear we down. And that is what I love, the unity. When on a united family, me say, yes, man, as someone wants to act with everything we happen in our life. Every little battles, every little trials we'll face, as so we'll unite and things will be better. No, what I plan on doing better, I plan on improving how I write, how I used to spell patois words, how I learned it in school. I realized that when I put it in the system that I'm using, it doesn't recognize it. It speaks differently. So I have to be learning to respell words, create my own words so that they sound like patois. But over time, I will definitely get better. For those of you who subscribed to my YouTube, for those of you who followed my TikTok, I appreciate y'all so much. I am so grateful and I felt the love. For those of you who didn't do it because you didn't like what I did with the videos and you didn't like the accent, I am going to grow. I'm going to do better. And if you want to support me on this journey, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to me on YouTube, continue watching my videos, and help me grow. Let us work together. Alright? Now, what I'll be doing, I'll be posting these type of videos on YouTube, but my skits are still going to be done as short videos. But what I'm going to start doing now, I'm going to bring you guys along the process. I'm going to show you when I'm editing, and I'm going to show you the apps that I use to create the videos for those who are interested in starting something like this. I don't gatekeep. My mind not perfect with how I'm doing it now, but probably you can learn and do better than me. Alright, so if you want to do this with me, go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube, follow my TikTok page, continue leaving your comments, whether it's good or bad. I appreciate it all. Alright, help me to grow and let us work together so that I can produce videos for you guys. Alright, now thank you for sitting and listening to me blabbering and talking, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe,